I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start with permissions and the right app. Close AutoCAD, then launch the Autodesk desktop app as administrator so changes stick. Once opened, go straight to Settings and locate Updates or the Auto Update toggle. Turn it off to stop automatic downloads. At the same time, disable the desktop app from Windows Startup so it won't re-enable updates on login. These steps stop the automatic update mechanism at its source, and that prevents background downloads and prompts while you work. Once done with the desktop app, move to Scheduled Tasks and Services so updates don't restart. Open Task Scheduler and disable any tasks named Autodesk, Desktop App Updater, or similar. This prevents scheduled checks. Next, open Services. MSC and locate services like the Autodesk Desktop App Service. Set their startup type to disabled and stop them. If an updater executable keeps relaunching, adjust its file permissions or rename it. Make sure you understand you're preventing an executable from running, which is why admin rights are required. Finish by rebooting to confirm settings persist. Make sure Autodesk Desktop app does not start and scheduled tasks remain disabled. If updates still appear, create a Windows Firewall outbound rule blocking known Autodesk update executables or domains so the program cannot fetch updates. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting step is to re-enable the desktop app temporarily, install the required update manually, then reapply the disable steps. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.